Carla don't really know me like that. Maybe them see me on the program for a little bit.
Oh, Oliver and Carla.
Oliver and Carla, you see what I'm saying? So now more than like to really give them from Canada.
Yeah.
And I would really like to give them a big up and know, so boy, I do appreciate the look and everything that they are doing for you guys. And it's a good turnout, you know.
True,
right now I'm here on a sad occasion. My brother passed away and after that, you know.
Yeah.
So, but God is good. And it's always great.
I'll give thanks. I'll give thanks. You want to do
Let me tell you something, you know. All of my friends them were there Canada right now. This is always the place I drop when I reach in Jamaica. And I open to see the love that they have shown me.
True.
Man like Devon from Oakwood and Van. So I said, come on, you have to show the love, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need them to jump on board, you know. Yeah, and do what you can, you know. And not have to do too much, you know. Me do the rest, you know, family can do something.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
true.
you see what I'm saying?
Sure,
so all Canadian, big up on the set.
More than welcome.
Yeah.
More than
jump
welcome.
on board.
Yeah, man. More
I
than
hear what
welcome.
we don't have no sinking ship.
No.
Have to stay afloat.
Straight. Have to. Sure. See you. Give him out for me, guys. It's alright, man. You don't have to know me anymore. We move on. It's a big woman coming here. I know, I'm lucky.
You woman?
Yeah, you know, see her, yeah. See her, yeah, big woman. Run. Catch you. Come kill her, I'm going to bring her. Alright. Hey.
Remember, you never get no more bread. Stop. I don't care.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Blessed. Give thanks and praise. Give thanks and praise. Soup from his soup from his dad. So Mr. Dad, so you got company? Yeah. Oh, so you don't need Ali today. Where you gonna left Mr. Dad start to come?
No man,
okay.
The soup, you get some soup, mommy.
Yes, mama, I'll bring some soup for you. Love from a distance. Chicken foot and chicken neck.
And chicken neck. She love boil them soup, man. All for them soup she boil them.
Yeah.
Beautiful days. So I run so fast.
At the foot there.
Yeah, the chicken foot there. No, they call them lion pound.
Yeah.
You see?
No, them call them stepping razor.
Steppers.
Steppers, no.
Yeah, man, we said
Love from a distance.
love from a distance, big up on yourself, you know.
From London.
From London, you see. No
Spreading.
one go on in them place. More visit London in about Manchester United, me go still.
Yeah.
More visit London, class.
But you have to bring Miss Dasa with you, because you say you not leave her. You have to go with
Manchester United, I bring in all of them lose, you know. I bring them up. All of them cast the clock at Manchester United, you say.
see me, you say.
Big up all of the donors there. You don't make it possible. My mother always can.
Big them up every
Last
time.
night Pablo flying at the places in, so I could represent him brother thing. You see me I say?
Yeah, yeah.
Full cars. I'm there. Them say
man.
me tell us say happy belated birthday. You see, and I wish you receive many more birthdays to come, you see. And put up our
Yeah, man.
Put up our picture on Facebook and I be people, you know.
You see, man, you know, see me all comment to me, I say watch pan 16-year-old Dasa.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, mama.
Big up.
Just take care, man, until then.
Yeah.
Yeah?
All our fans,
yeah.
big up. One team in a dream team.
See you then. Eh? It's alright, man. You don't have to know me anymore. We move on. It's some big woman coming in here. I know, I'm lucky.
You man,
Yeah, you know,
the
see,
woman there.
see her, yeah. See her, yeah, big woman. Run.
We are telling you.
Catch you. Come tell her I'm gonna bring her. Run. Tree. Come now when you're throwing a soup on her, man. I know you're gonna burn her up in Miss Jais. See, you know you're war about you. Really like a warm woman like that, Miss Jais, and bring her come look for you.
Come on, lady.
Come and bring her come look for you. So you walk me the top of your car. Miss Jais. Miss Jais, I'm not stay with you long today, you know.
That's for your business,
I'm gonna stay a little longer. Am I business that too?
Yes.
What more mango? Miss Jais, what? Miss Jais, the on her foot now.
Awwa, you learn.
Awwa, she don't need me anymore.
Awwa.
So,
Yeah.
how should I go say downtown?
You don't business with that. Your business. Now I can watch you.
Anymore?
No.
You know, I can't watch me anymore.
No.
You move on. Nothing wrong, man. Me have somebody else to watch me, you know.
Thank God.
Thank God.
You get one.
Of course.
Do what?
If you get one husband, why me can't get wife too?
You know for me husband.
But of course I get husband.
Where name?
And I'm me name though, and I'm my name, ma'am, so I couldn't have me.
So my husband then?
Hey, you forgot about the Rasta, see the Rasta
What
there?
right?
What Rasta? You say what Rasta? A Rasta you want a long time.
Yeah.
So boom a long time she want a Rasta, you know, she don't want a ballin'. Are you pick the mango there for your boom?
You know visited that?
Me have to want, I pick the mango, are you pick the mango there for
Yes, yes, I him pick it. What happened about that?
Alright man, nothing wrong man. It's all good. You want this trial?
Me not straw.
Eh?
Are you one of this straw?
You don't want this trial? Oh, you want a kangaroo?
Me
Okay.
no want.
Yeah, alright. Alright, I'm gone now. Yeah.
Alright, what good though?
Of course.
They wanna come up.
Now come back. No problem, man. See you next time.
I see me. We don't come and see empty house.
I come and see empty house, I can move in. When I come back and see empty house, I shall move in with my new
I
woman.
had the one.
Yeah.
Come look in the house.
Come looking at the house there. Come looking at the house.
Miss Jais throw soup on me.
So my new woman, Miss Jais, look inside.
Yes, ma'am. And then mount one. You're going to come back.
Yeah.
And when you come back to get it,
Yeah.
you're lucky.
No,
Oi, go about my business. Last time you see me. You not tell me bye-bye?
So come to where to eat with. Hey, Pa.
You know when nobody knows say I give me mango. You want nobody knows say I give me mango. Thanks. Thank you. Yeah, give me more? Thanks. What? Are you next man you look fan? Are you next man you look fan? Say I give mango too. Alright then, I'm not jealous. Go on boom. I'm not jealous. I'm not jealous. Give him of course. Give him of course. Oh, I go on baby. Miss Joyce, my next wife out there. Come here, my next wife. Come here. Miss Joyce. Miss Joyce, my next wife out there. Miss Joyce, I look for your last. Watch this now, no? Watch. Watch Miss Joyce, I look for your last. Come here, Fairy. Miss Joyce, I look for the last. Miss Joyce, really, I look for the last. That. How was you find? How was you find?
You want one more program?
No, Fairy, nobody come. Come tell us I call my new wife. She take out her last. Alright. Hey.
Remember you never get no more bread. Stop. I don't care.
Alright, I'm coming to my new wife. Bye-bye. I used to must come out, now come out and go with my new wife. Every time. Alright, sir. Alright, Miss Joyce.
Alright, darling.
Alright, take care, my wife.
Yeah.
You're not ex anymore. You're current. That's right. Yeah.
Baby dream.
Baby dream. Baby Ava wake. So this is baby wake. This is Ava baby wake. And this is baby can see. So one awake, one a dream, and one can see. Three the hardest way. Baby awake, baby dream, and baby can see. Lela! Look how I can take care of a dream team, Jella. Oh, so know where you going. Lela! Lela? No, Lela. So Lela, the bigger baby. Natural. I have natural as it be. Natural as it is.
Kyla, come here.
Resort baby is here. Resort baby is here. I have Jenna. So you can make some call. Well, don't forget to like. So don't forget to like, people. Like and share. So like and share. Team, one team. So well, like and share. Whoa! Blessings to all. So don't forget to put the thumbs up. Yeah, like and share. Dream Team, one team. So you know today we have Pablo pass through the place today. Since the last time we passed through, you know, our condolence goes out. You know, Pablo is here for the funeral of his brother. You know, our condolences goes out. So I'm gonna stay tuned when Pablo condolences goes out. So you know, just send the condolences in the comment section. You know, prayers up. Tell Pablo keep strong. Dream Team, one team. Dream Team, one team. Dream Team, one team. I want this Kylo. Dream Team, one team. Kylo that. Dream Team. Oh, the real team. Tell them to like.
And share and follow.
Oh, you that like and share and subscribe. That little good I tell you, so follow the new generation, then follow the future. In the future tell us to like and share and subscribe.
They say them can't get him up. Kino?
Can't get him
Can't get him up. I mean, ice man.
Yeah, ice drip.
Real ice man.
Ice drip.
All when him in at the pool,
Still a
ice
drip.
still can't finish melt. And you know, say water melt ice, no?
Oh,
Righteous.
still dripping. Yeah, come.
Yeah, man, I be in love. Well, I don't get no hug off a Dream Team, baby, man. I can get a real title.
Yeah. The baby.
Yeah, hero. Where am I?
In the kitchen.
I live out here, I'm one of the big chef now, you know.
Oh.
You know what time it is, you know,
Same way.
great cook. Messy.
Rasta messy.
Yeah, man.
Rasta messy.
The real girl them from the thing,
Yeah.
I love seeing
Same way. Mother Terry. Come.
little bit. I'm sensuality.
Mother Teresa.
No, say a word, man. Love you too much. To Joe who don't talk
Mighty
too
Joe,
much.
yeah.
Mighty Joe don't talk too much.
Mighty Joe, young.
All over respect, yeah, man.
Yeah, Mighty Joe, young. Tall P, Young Junior.
I'm so ready for something for you, make it up. I don't know who I'm going to get it from.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Two, I think I'll do it twice.
Twice? Oh, yeah. God is great. If you have a lady and a husband like that, care and concern. Carla don't really know me like that. Maybe them see me on the program for a little bit.
Oh, Oliver and Carla.
Oliver and Carla, you see what I'm saying? So now more than like for really give them from Canada.
Yeah.
And I would really like to give them a big up and know, so boy, I do appreciate the look and everything that they are doing for you guys. and it's a good turnout. You know?
True.
Right now I'm here on a sad occasion. My brother passed away and after there, you know?
Yeah.
So, but God is good. And he's always great.
Jenna.
Them say you have a shiny eye. Look on the eye. Look on the eye. Looking at the eye. Looking at the eye. We just wind up and see how while I go, you know. And send a message to them for tell civil, so watch out.
Yeah.
I don't know why you go like you this, my friend Angela, boy, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, righteous.
Yeah, that's so
Sell out.
Yeah, so really, right.
Still have love for you same way. No, say a word.
Yeah, man, we'll give Pablo a round of applause. Come
Yeah,
through.
man, mad love, man.
Yeah, man, we'll give Pablo. Come through, Jenna. Well.
We are brother. Years. And we are watch care from we are little baby boy.
True.
So we only have to know this is a big man. See,
Wow.
I left certain people.
Manners.
Now him going to see himself pan where? YouTube. And him wife I go see it pan YouTube. So you know him boss well like YouTube.
Oh, yeah, I mean. Stand up here, man. Stand up back here, sir.
Long time.
Yeah, stand back here, sir.
Although we never depend.
When me a party, my boss
Long time.
Right. Them now go and see this, you know.
I don't want to see.
Look now. No, when them turn on them TV, them to lock them eye. Cool, man. Yeah.
So dream team.
One team.
Dream team.
One team.
You say dream team.
One team.
I know it's the only real team. It's the
One
only...
team.
Dream team.
One team.
Dream team.
Where him there? Big man, we always I say that.
Young tradesman. Young
I'm the vice tradesman.
Yeah.
They are to love. Keep doing the right thing.
True. Nothing.
I watch nobody. I watch no face.
True.
Where the entertainer there? Don't make it be a disgrace.
Oh, Rasta. Oh, Gary. Oh, Gary. Run out of breath. I'm just there a while ago. And we have Pablo again once more. Welcome back to TrenchTown again. You know, welcome back. And it's really sad to see. It's the occasion that we never really expect to see you back on this type of occasion, you know. And our condolences, we've been saying it, you know, the team have been saying it, and the viewers them been saying it as well, and the donors them be sending them condolences. You know, and as well as I said, it's not the first time you're back in TrenchTown, and this occasion was one of the saddest one. You know, if you know, say you're here because you have to go put on your brother. You know, and it's a moment we never looking to forward to see this moment, because we always come here with a different vibes. But the occasion is really sad. You know, and I really feel it. You're there for us. You know, you show us the way.
Appreciate all the love and the show. And the gratitude. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah,
man.
Because you show us a lot of love. You know, and with the support, we definitely want to come at the setup and try and know so we can there for the funeral as well too, because first time I come to TrenchTown, they tell me say you have to come off of the plane if I pass through at TrenchTown. You know, and that alone still synchronize see you make people know say yo, the love where you still have to show up to come here. The first place you want to come at TrenchTown to visit the dream team.
Yep.
You know, that first video there. You know, my show
what's your name, Miss D?
Miss Dassa.
Miss Dassa. She
So-
encouraged me, you know?
Yeah, and
She encouraged me to be here. Because it's like she was a part of my life when I was watching the program.
Yeah,
And it never take me a split second to leave the airport for job here.
no.
Right here, I'm not left here.
No, if you.
I'm not living enough here.
True.
And me as a youth, we don't care.
Yeah,
So I'm going to show the love.
every time.
Show the love.
Yeah.
I love me, I say.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's all you ever show is love, you know,
That's
Pablo.
all me do.
Nothing else, you know.
There is nothing too good that I wouldn't do for the crew.
True.
But it's only a matter of time for everybody to see what's going to happen, you know?
Yeah, true. But them always have time, you know.
Yeah, nothing beat time.
Nothing beat time.
And you can't go overboard.
No.
You're not trying to impress. Or you're not trying to make nobody feel more than what they are not or what you are not.
Yeah.
So you just do the best you can and do it to the best of your ability.
Yeah,
One heart of love.
Yeah, take care of us. Take care of us. Remy, watch your back.
Watch it too.
Yeah, come back here. Yes, Pablo, as I say, man, you know, sad times, and we still here as one family, same way. Still stand by your side because you stand by ours. And we definitely going to do the same right through.
Yep.
You know, and Dream Team, definitely a couple of us are going to head on to Mandeville. Okay, you know, so we have to do the strength, same way. No matter how far it is, we are across the ocean, we're going to reach.
Right now, let me tell you something, you know. All of my friends, them where they are Canada right now. This is always the place I drop when I reach in Jamaica. And I hope to see the love that they have shown me.
True.
Man like Devon from Oakwood and Van. Man like Wanda, never stop watch the video them.
Yeah.
And see me. And I say, boy, I don't stop see at all. But every day them have something good to say about him. And say, I say, come on, you have to show the love, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need them to jump on board, you know. Yeah, and do what you know, can, you know. And not have to do too much, you know. Me do the rest, you know, family can do something.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
true.
you see what I'm saying?
Sure,
yeah, so all Canadian, big up on the set.
More than welcome.
Yeah.
More than
jump
welcome.
on board.
Yeah, man, more than welcome.
We don't have no sinking ship.
No.
We have to stay afloat. Straight.
Have to. Sure, see you there. Give him out for me. Give thanks, you know.
My brother that, you know, see him there? Yeah,
Only PABLO when they are fear. The big tears are coming out.
Yeah, true. Nothing about love, man, Pablo. Nothing about love, you know. Love's out there. As I say, it's really a sad moment, you know. Sad moments, and we're after there, you know, all the viewers them see me.
The closer the day gets, all the tighter it is.
Sure.
That's what the greatest thing, you're there. So that's it. You have to just carry on and be strong. You hear that? I want all of we doing is just put out many love for PABLO, you know, all of our subscribers, many love, heart of love. Send it out real.
You know, we show the love, you know. We have to show the love, man. You know, love and love alone. Because that's all PABLO demonstrate, you know. You know, PABLO been through CMA when the violence are going on, been through when time there is peace, CMA.
Same way.
Never
no
leave,
fear, no
fear.
Always a show care and concern, is it?
Always. You know, because I love when they see from my mother when I end up in a church.
I mean, like you watch it, both, you beg it, man.
Well, I tell us that it always represent. You don't see it ever represent, you know. You know where it's from first.
Righteous. Heart of love. Straight, can't wrong.
PABLO all the way. You know, tell the PABLO
man, see that?
See that?
Combination.
Righteous. Alright, for you give me it not come off for the wrist.
I know, man.
You know, it's not come off, man. And that's how the love them, man, isn't it? And the magnitude of love will come here and show. You know, I never have to do
it. You know, there is nothing too greater than love, you know. More than God love, you see it?
True.
God will say, you know. But you know, hear me? Want the whole on to take care of yourself, you know.
Yes.
Come here, I forgot to check my son,
Yeah, man.
And Kino, we have a link up tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
That we can know what time we have to push out.
Yeah.
And tomorrow on Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So So the whole crew will leave one time.
Yeah, the whole of you leave one time.
When them call the big top man them when them a leave out.
The entourage.
Entourage.
Yeah. The entourage will leave one time.
The entourage I go down in the Mandeville and show where condolences and represent.
Make already it have to go on.
Yeah.
Every time.
Yeah.
True.
Love my
So we
brother
don't
like
play
that.
when time we are go places, you know that.
Love my brother like that.
We don't play when we are go places, man. We just do it.
Yeah, man.
I say thing I'm a general. Me and the pass are parring, so you don't know. It have to go on.
Yeah.
Every time.
Every time, man.
So we did.
No, you call me no boss by YouTube, no boss.
No,
I say,
Call it
Yeah.
big, but
No, cause we not deal with boss.
Put it in.
yeah, but nobody can tell
No
you.
man else can't tell me what to tell you. I'm my general, me tell you anything me want to call you. So who want Bex? Nah, I might talk that.
Yeah.
We coming from a very far.
As long as you ain't cursing no bad word, it's
We
all
are
good.
not doing
It's
that,
all
man.
good.
I'm little disciplined.
Hey,
Yeah,
hey,
yeah.
watch your back, watch your back.
Watch your back, watch
Hey,
your back.
you make sure Rosie see your face clear, you know.
No,
Yeah.
she have to see it, man. My wife have to see that, you know.
You make sure you
Come
watch
on,
it.
Pablo.
Rosie see ya.
Pablo, it's me and your Paul. She just call me out where I tell her, me and the general Paul. Pablo there? I say, yes, him there. The only person can know you there. Nobody else can know. Yeah, about general.
Yeah, man, that's true, man.
Nobody else can do about it. You know where we are come from, you know.
Right now, a certain people know me in Jamaica right now.
That's a real talk.
Cause you have some people, you know, where a friend thinks people, yeah?
Yeah.
And we choose the friends now.
Opportunists, we
True.
call them.
So we don't need nobody to come and in
Call
this
them opportunists.
gig business.
No.
But I like come and you say a mango, yeah, you know.
Alright.
Or say a coconut, yeah, you know.
We don't work them with
Just like how me come here and I say Ali go chop 2 coconut and carry.
Yeah.
I say what that for? I say we are some man.
Yeah.
I drink off the both of them one time.
One time.
Yeah, so I make him know say I be a love same way. I
Yeah.
appreciate love it.
Of
You know
course,
see?
man.
We love them thing there, you know, man.
Yeah.
You see all them man, anywhere them are going, all when shut up for me, I go with him. And me and him apart from me, why? We are do things and we are talk about. Anyway, himself jump in a vehicle bones, they gone.
No, from me I wear a desert clocks like that, the hole in at the bottom. Me and them money apart. Can't do it, me pushing at that.
We
I'm
are
gone up on my bridge.
when we are wear clocks, some boy can't wear clocks, because we are hustle hard about that. And we not stop wear the whole as we is now, we not stop wear them. We wear them same way. Sorry about the language. We are punch it, you know.
Yeah.
Rasta Jackson.
Rasta Jackson, wine please.
Come in, Jackson.
Wiggle wine. The man them want to see up on American Got Talent.
America got talent.
Hey, watch your back, Natty.
We have Rasta Jackson at the place.
Yes, sir.
Right.
You turn your back to the camera, Rasta. The man them, man. Yo, man, the man them. How we are, brother?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Cool up. Man, them say name Wiggle Wine and foreign, brother. Them not say a waistline.
Wiggle wine.
Wiggle Wine. Why all the judge them want to say?
A girl want me dance, you know.
Tell you them on the program, you know, brother.
Sorry.
Man, I'll cut you out, man. Man, I'll cut you out like a newspaper.
Yeah, all the movie stars.
Today, we're going to eat some food. Tomorrow, we're going to drink some liquor together, brother.
Yes, sir.
And send home, my brother. Alright?
Yes,
So the whole honor just take care of yourself and we'll talk again.
Yes,
I'm going to have to move.
Yes.
See?
We come on us, we come on us.
Let me see you.
Stop, man.
Dream baby, oh my God. Oh, you're so fat.
Why you got?
Oh, yeah, you just born last week. Pretty girl. A dream girl?
Baby dream.
Why may I come from mine though?
Baby dream.
Yes, man. Sorry, no?
Dream team.
One team.
Dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
I have somebody else want to say. Go on then. Say.
Dream team.
One team. One team. Dream team.
Okay.
Okay, righteousness. So we say we on the road, And don't forget to like, and don't forget to share.
And the next day, and you never go on the resort. And when you go on the resort, you know, you see all them the dark complexion there.
Yeah.
I go get brown.
Car foreign.
Listen to me, just the ear alone, I'm going to change your complexion. Look on Wormy when Wormy come back.
Yeah.
The man did a bleach and he never look so brown when he come back.
No.
Where's the I call this thing?
Not course.
Not course. Alright, Oliver and Carla, man, we have to give thanks.
Boy, we can't wait to see all Carla say, boy, have some more people to go up on the night.
Not course, yeah.
And you want me now. We can't wait to see the general. Because one time,
Oliver.
we check say, the general did get all shot in his foot, you know.
Yeah. Oh, Oliver?
No.
Oh,
Talpi,
oh, Talpi.
I never knew it was like that when I heard.
Okay, true.
I'm not telling no lie, I don't mind I see my walk through the gate.
Yeah,
And I come in.
Yeah.
I'm feeling good about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
You know, say, because when me see a man I walk good, and I come with them pink suitcase.
Yeah.
I say, weird.
Whoa. So you don't mind to sit Talpi this place, sir?
No, man, Talpi, I rock and
Limp, I
roll.
go through.
Oh, the boss, man.
Move, man.
You good, you out, you know. Yeah, man, you good.
Talpi, man. Talpi.
So you take this straight thing and take it personal. Do your thing, brother. See it? Alright.
Righteousness are the key, man. Righteousness.
Hey, man, I couldn't make my food cold, you know. Excuse?
Yeah. So drive safe, my general. Alright, man, I can yeah, man.
Yeah.
Watch I know, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.